Are you sick of wasting your vacation time stressing over planning and money? We're here to lend a hand. In this video, we'll provide our best suggestions for arranging a stress-free family vacation. We provide everything you need, from luxurious vacations to solutions that are within your price range. So, whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long vacation, these tips will help you make the most of your trip and create memories that will last a lifetime. Let's get started. Number 10. Do not overpack. When it comes to family vacations, it's easy to fall into the trap of overpacking. We all want our kids to have everything they need to feel comfortable and happy, but let's face it, carrying 100 pounds of luggage is not going to make anyone happy, especially not you, the parent, who will inevitably end up carrying a tired kid or two. So, instead of trying to bring everything from home, pack as little as possible. Trust us, it's not worth the hassle. The truth is, traveling itself will already mess with your routines, so trying to preserve them all is a lost cause. You'll just end up frustrated and with a sore neck. Plus, there's something liberating about traveling light. You'll feel like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders, literally. And if you find that you're missing something essential, don't panic. Most destinations will have what you need, and it can even be an opportunity to try something new. So take a deep breath, leave the unnecessary items at home, and enjoy the freedom of traveling light. Your shoulders and your kids will thank you. Number 9. Be wise in picking a travel destination. Traveling with family can be fun, but picking the right spot can be hard. To make the vacation fun for everyone, consider everyone's tastes and interests. With a little research, you can easily identify family-friendly travel destinations that have something for everyone. Find resorts that welcome kids and adults. From swimming pools and water parks to sports facilities and entertainment, these resorts offer a wide selection of activities and services to keep everyone entertained. To be sure the resort has everything your family wants, read reviews and check out its website. A national park or coastal town with a range of activities and attractions is another choice. These sites usually have something for everyone, from hiking and animal watching to swimming at beach games. Remember that spending time with loved ones and making memories that will last a lifetime is essential. Number 8. Pre-book everything you can. There is no shortage of exciting places to visit if you're thinking about taking the kids on vacation. Vacationing in Hawaii or the Caribbean, with its warm, clear waters and year-round sunshine, is a great option for anyone seeking a relaxing beach getaway. New York, Paris, and Tokyo are all fantastic choices for a city trip thanks to their abundance of historical sites and fine dining establishments. Yellowstone and the Grand Canyon are two natural wonders that every nature lover should see at least once in their lifetimes. Another option is to go on a safari in South Africa or to visit the Inca ruins of MACHU Picchu in Peru. There are endless options for fun vacation spots that are suitable for the whole family, so don't wait to start planning your upcoming trip. Number 7. Bring something to keep the kiddos entertained. It's hard to plan a long flight with kids. As a parent, you want to keep your kids entertained and comfortable. The toughest issue is keeping them entertained for hours. With a little preparation, you can make it bearable and fun for everyone. Packing books, coloring books, or puzzles that your children can work on independently is one method to keep them entertained during the trip. It keeps kids engaged and improves their cognitive skills. Instead, create some enjoyable family games. Games like I Spy and Scavenger Hunt require little planning. A long flight can also induce restlessness, especially for small children who may have problems sleeping in a new setting. By bringing their favorite stuffed animal, a warm blanket, and a travel pillow, you can make them feel at home and help them relax and fall asleep. Number 6. Pack snacks for unusual travel encounters. It can be fun and exciting to travel, but it's important to remember that there will always be problems, especially on long flights. As you get ready for your trip, don't forget to think about what you'll do if something goes wrong. When traveling with kids, it's important to make sure they have enough energy to keep going the whole time. Bring some healthy snacks like fruit or granola bars to keep them from getting hungry and to keep their energy up. Also, you never know when you might get stuck in a place with no stores open or have to wait. Having some snacks on hand can save your life in these situations. So, make sure to bring extra snacks in case you get hungry. Remember that the whole point of traveling is to see and do new things. With a little planning and some tasty snacks, you'll be ready for any challenge and able to get the most out of your trip. Number 5. Make a list of things to do and not to do. Going to a new place is thrilling, but it can also be nerve-wracking, especially if you are unfamiliar with the culture and customs. Studying some of your target destination do's and don'ts can go a long way toward ensuring a smooth and polite trip. Understanding local norms and traditions might help you avoid inadvertent transgressions or cultural misunderstandings. It can also improve your whole travel experience and help you connect with locals. In some cultures, it is considered impolite to enter someone's home while wearing shoes or to touch someone's head. You can show respect for the local culture and people by learning about local etiquette. This will make your trip more enjoyable and memorable. Taking the initiative to investigate local customs is a great tool for any traveler, whether it's learning a few simple phrases in the local language or understanding the right manner to welcome someone. Number 4. Ensure safety and security. Family holidays and outings generate amazing memories, yet kids can get away from their parents due to excitement. Preparation can keep a pleasant day from turning into a nightmare. You can keep your child safe by giving them an emergency contact bracelet. This way, they can instantly contact you or someone you trust if they become lost. It can also help the authorities find you if your child runs away. Another tip is to pick a key point to meet at if you get separated. The family may identify a statue or fountain. Plan a strategy to return to your hotel if you get separated. That will give you peace of mind and let everyone enjoy their day. So pack your bags, plan your trip, and make memories that will last a lifetime while being prepared for the unexpected. Number 3. Always have 2 essentials in your bag: wipes and antibacterial gel. No matter if you're going on a trip with your family or by yourself, you should always have wipes and antibacterial gel in your bag. You may ask, why wipes? Well, wipes are one of the most useful and versatile things you can bring with you on a trip. You can use them to wipe down surfaces, clean your hands, and even freshen up after a long day of traveling. They are especially helpful when traveling with kids who tend to get into all kinds of messes. Then there's a gel that kills germs. We all know that traveling can expose us to a lot of germs and bacteria, so having a small bottle of antibacterial gel on hand can give you peace of mind. Use it to clean your hands after touching things like door handles, airplane tray tables, and subway poles. Make sure you have these 2 things in your bag before you go on your next trip. Even though they may seem like small things, they can make a big difference in how you travel. Number 2. Special needs in local languages. If you want to travel with your family, knowing the local language can give your stories a unique and interesting twist. Knowing and understanding the language of the nation you're visiting might help you connect with locals on a deeper level. It can also help you find hidden gems, get insider tips, and learn more about the culture in a real way. Adding bits of the local language to your video script can also make it feel more real and give it more personality. Using the language of the country you're visiting, whether it's a simple greeting or a phrase to order food, can make your content stand out and make your audience feel more connected to you. So why not learn a new language before your next trip with your family? It could make all the difference if you want to make a travel video for your YouTube channel that is interesting and captivating. Number 1. Accept and embrace your flaws. Although everyone has different vacation expectations, planning a family vacation can be thrilling and stressful. But what if I told you that the key to a wonderful family holiday is accepting imperfection? That's right, imperfection. Every vacation has its ups and downs. Yet, you can alleviate some of the anxiety and disappointment associated with this reality by simply admitting that things will not always go as planned. Try to be flexible and open-minded during the trip. The hotel room may be too small or the weather may be bad. Instead of obsessing over these setbacks, focus on the positives and make the most of them. After all, unexpected moments make the best memories. So enjoy the craziness and imperfections of your family trip. Laugh at the mistakes and enjoy the good times. Doing so will make the whole family's experience unforgettable. And there you have it, our top 10 family vacation tips. With a little planning, flexibility, and a sense of adventure, you'll have the perfect family vacation. We'll see you soon. Till then, say goodbye and keep traveling.